is up, chat? As you can see, the trade we took earlier closed out at a nice 123. But yeah, let's move on with the charts. See, the price also moved up here as we anticipated. NZD JPY, I didn't check again, but yeah, nothing really happened to give us entry confirmation. And then Euro Swiss, boom, same thing. Look at that. Also called earlier in the live streams. We were waiting for a retrace over here. We did not get that. Yeah, we were waiting for a retrace into this zone. Also did not get that. So yeah, let's run through the charts again for today's New York session. Let's go back to the 4 hour. So nothing here. Price isn't tapping into a high, price is not tapping into a low, so we'll not be looking to trade here. AUD Swiss, price is tapping into the structure, but it has not tapped into this high right over here, this new resistance level, the new low in the market. So nothing there. AUD JPY, same, we're not anywhere of any interests, so we will wait. Price is just consolidating right here. How's this CAD trade still? So I'm in this trade from yesterday actually. Just want to see if it hit my take profit on my personal account while we're here. But anyway, let's go back to NZD USD. Did it? Yeah, it did. Hell yeah. Let's go. So AUD NZD, we are dead ass, we're consolidating. Like, anyone who tells you otherwise, listen to them or me, I don't know, but we're consolidating here. Look at this, in between. Same here. What are we doing? Just consolidating. We are trapped between these two zones. We haven't moved up, we haven't moved down. CAD Swiss also consolidating right here, as we can see. So an easy way to identify if price is consolidating. Oh, my bad, geez. An easy way to see if price is Why am I messing that word up? Wagwan fam, use a I love the name. Yeah, so easy way to see if price is consolidating is if the candlesticks are printing side by side, then that means price is consolidating. CAD JPY, exact same thing. Yeah, look at that. We closed bullish previous candle. We didn't create a new. We could actually hold on. Nah, we can't. Could we? Ooh. Hold on. Yeah, let me relook at this. So this is an inside bar close. So the verifications we need for an inside bar close is price tapping into the structure wicks over here. So if we are going to look for buys, we want price to first tap in here before continue going up. Price isn't tapping into any new high level, which would be, or sorry, new low level, because we're looking to buy. So that's where we would anticipate price moving to. And then what is my last rule? I'm not going to open the book because I want to remember it by heart. Price closed within the daily range. So there we have everything we need in order to take a trade. So we see the previous candle closed a single candle breaking above this high. So we'd want price to come back down, retrace, form a support, and then also grab liquidity. If prices grab liquidity, that is a great sign that price is going to be moving in your direction, because price needs liquidity in order to move. This is a single candle, but we're also at this zone over here. And then, yeah, no, we wouldn't. We're coming straight off this daily support as well. Again, shout out to Patrick, the editor. He caught these buys from down here all the way up, passing his phase 1 on his funded challenge, on his third attempt of a funded challenge as well. Shit. Yeah, this one was sick too. But nothing here. We close outside the daily range, so we're not looking to trade that. Let me just mark AUDJPY, something we're looking to trade. Here we also close outside the daily range, so we will not be looking to trade here. This trade was taken during the 12 p.m. session, so yeah, if you missed that live stream, go watch it again. Outside the daily range here, so we will not be looking to trade. Outside the daily range here, will not be looking to trade. Here we've broken above this wick, so there's no, this trade right now currently is going against all our rules, so we will not be taking this trade either. Shit. See, we broke above, but we didn't close above here. But yesterday's daily closed bullish, so we would be looking for buys. So the buys would have been around about here. Oh yeah, I remember I did say this in the live stream earlier. We were waiting for price to come down, retrace, because the range wasn't wide enough. GBP AUD outside the range, we're not looking to trade. Outside the range, we're not looking to trade. Outside the range, not looking to trade. Outside the range, also not looking to trade. NZD CAD. This is a single candle tapping into our zone right over here. We're not tapping into, so the reason I didn't take this trade earlier is because we tapped into the new higher level right over here, but on the next candle we did not. So this would be the first zone we're anticipating price to come to if we're going to be executing sells. So preferably we'd wait for price to come into this zone, tap it, respect it, and then there we go. Shit. So we can see we grabbed liquidity within this 1 hour candle, but we didn't tap back in here. I would like to see maybe price create a longer liquidity wick, maybe take out those highs and then close bearish. That would be a good trade to take, because as we know how market structure moves, price accumulates, manipulates, and then distributes. What's up, Lorenzo, brother? Long time since you've been on these live streams. So as we can see, price opened, now it's manipulating, and we want to catch it in this manipulation so that price can continue going down. Oh yeah, no stress, brother. NZD Swiss, still looking good. So this was the initial exit zone right here, but because of the spread we didn't get out over there, we got out over here. But yeah, we wouldn't want to trade this because price is tapping into a new high and to a new low level. So yeah, damn, my boy with the gifts. Shit, damn. So right now the only pair we're looking at is AUD/JPY. And if we look at Euro/JPY, price is bullish. We just closed a bullish market structure break. I appreciate it, brother. CAD, also bullish. Why did I miss this one? Oh yeah, we want price to also tap back into this zone. Back to NZD/JPY. We can't take this because this is not a new higher level, and there isn't another candle showing us that price will continue pushing up. So one of the things you could get confused on, and this is the thing I got confused on a lot, is checking for correlations across the pairs, but that's not what you're looking for here. You're looking for your entry criteria, your setup criteria. If it matches that setup criteria, it does not matter what the other pairs are doing. It's more of a mechanical approach to the markets. Step by step. Your boy loves step by step type things. Here we're consolidating as well. USD CAD. There was no way to enter. Yeah, price didn't even come and create a new high. So nothing over here. No, this just looks messy, bro. If you thought your X was messy, this shit's messy right here. USD/JPY. we're tapping into a new higher level, rejecting that higher level, and so we can't actually take a trade here because yesterday's candle closed bearish, and we've already grabbed liquidity from the upside. So why would we go back up again? Like, we've been struggling for almost 8 hours so far to continue pushing up. But we'll see. I could be wrong. It's part of the game. Out of the daily range, so we're not looking to trade that. And let's just remove the drawings. So this would be the new high level right here. So reason being, this is a support, red candle, green candle, and look how the rest went green, showing us that is a very valid support. And then, damn, thought it was the Huz messaging me. If we want to look for sells, I know we're bullish on all the other pairs, or the other yen pairs, but yeah, these sells look favorable. Yesterday's candle closed bearish. We could either continue pushing up, or we can go and fill this range right over here. So this would be more of a swing trade setup. We come to this range right over here, and then boom. So we'd wanna, let's see actually if we got a 4-hour confirmation. So this candle right here would be your entry confirmation for the swings, because it took out the liquidity over here, and then once it manipulated, it has to go in the direction that it closed in, because it wouldn't have grabbed liquidity in the opposite direction in order to go that opposite direction. It doesn't make sense. Like, if you go fishing and you throw a rod, you don't throw the rod back fucking twice before it goes forward. So think of it, there's many analogies you can use to think of it. On the 1 hour, beautiful, brother, look at this shit. So if we were going to be looking for sells, we could take it within this zone. We can either wait for price to come in, tap that zone, or close a 1 hour liquidity wick and anticipate those sells further. The reason we also want to be taking it to this support right here is because this is the last level in the market where price rejected from. And if we check the weekly, yeah, the weekly manipulated already, but it has not pushed up yet. And you can see we're in these zones right here. Like, without, if this gap wasn't here, I presume it would probably be a blue candle showing us rejection. And then the pairs you guys love the most. Got some sick buys yesterday on US 30. The daily closed bearish. Boop, boop, boop. This candle's gonna close now. But there would be nothing for us to trade off of because price has not tapped any of these zones. US 100. Ooh, oh yeah. We go here. Keith, I don't want this to throw you off your analysis because I know you are in fucking buys right now. Wait for this candle to close bullish, then it will manipulate down, grab liquidity over here. We can refine the stops a bit more. Hell yeah. There we go. So we got a non-MSB engulf. We want price to come back, retrace down, and continue pushing up. Now the stops might be a bit wider, but you can refine it. But then remember, that also just refines your entry, so you might miss the trade. But that's the fucking game, boys. And yeah, that's all the pairs. Let me check gold. I haven't checked gold in a minute. Sheesh, when was this sold? Friday? Damn, bro, if I kept these bitches going. Shit. Oh wait. No, I'm probably gonna end now because I've gone through everything. I need to post it on YouTube as well still. Yeah, beautiful. Thanks guys, appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live stream. I might hop on again later for the Q&A. Also check out the live event happening on Saturday. You can ask any questions you want regards to trading, and I will do my best to answer them. Other than that, stay safe and enjoy your day.